Welcome back, guys. We're gonna be making soup curry today.
Soup curry originated in Sapporo, Hokkaido, and it is one of our favorite curry dishes. It's a definite must-try.
Last December, we went to Sapporo and we ate soup curry.
Yes, it was so much fun. And soup curry, we are huge fans of it. It's different from your typical Japanese curry because it's more like a soup.
Yes.
And there's usually lots of ingredients, like much more than your typical curry. Yeah. And this is something we really wanted to try and recreate at home. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna show you guys how to make soup curry, of course, Tabi Eat style.
So today I will make soup curry very easy way. If you are professional of curry making, you can blend a variety of spices, but it's very tough. Today I'm gonna be using curry powder, so it's very easy and of course it's so delicious.
Of course, everyone can make it this way, right? Much easier.
Yes.
I'm gonna be filming, so I'll be behind the scenes.
All ingredients are listed in the description below. So first, I'm gonna be preparing meat. Today I am using chicken meat, chicken thigh. You can use chicken breast or drumstick. Today I'm using chicken thigh because it was cheap today.
And actually, chicken thigh is better than chicken breast for this recipe, in my opinion.
So first cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Okay, then transfer to a bowl. And we're gonna season this chicken with salt and pepper. Massage. Season this chicken meat well. And leave as it is about 20 minutes. So let's prepare vegetables. First, I'm cutting potato. This one weight is 150 grams. Maybe in other country, it's half a potato. So I washed carefully. So I'm using skin too and cut into bite-sized pieces. About 8 cut. Because Shinichi loves a big piece of potato.
I love potatoes.
And set aside. So next one is carrot. I'm using half a carrot. Cut into bite-sized pieces, same like potato. Set aside. And one more main ingredient is this onion. Half a large onion. I'm gonna be cutting 8 like this. And cut this. Okay, set aside. And we also need some ginger and garlic. So I'm gonna be mincing the ginger. And I'm gonna chop garlic.
What I love about Hokkaido soup curry is that there's lots of ingredients. There's lots of potatoes and onions and carrots, and then a lot of spices as well. Okay, ginger and garlic is chopped and ready. So let's cook ingredients. So I'm gonna be cooking ginger and garlic in olive oil to release the flavors. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil and heat it on low. Then put garlic and ginger inside the frying pan. The aroma will be released into the oil. It already smells so nicely. I like garlic and ginger aroma. It's fun to cook. I can smell it too. It smells so good. I'm getting so hungry.
Right?
From the aroma from the garlic and ginger.
Garlic and ginger.
Oh,
Smell
so good.
is so good. It's always good. And continue cooking until the garlic becomes lightly brown. You don't want to burn it because it becomes bitter. Okay, ginger and garlic become perfect. It should be like this, lightly brown. So to prevent from burning, I transfer to a plate. Leave the remaining oil in the frying pan. So next, cook chicken. In the same frying pan, put seasoned chicken into the frying pan. And I'm cooking on medium heat and cook until the one side, the bottom side becomes golden brown. So talking about soup curry, there is no exact rule. So the style is soupy, liquidy curry, but the ingredients and the how to cook, there is no the correct answer. So kind of no fuss, no fuss. So don't worry. Okay, so one side become brown, golden brown now. So flip it over. Flip all the chicken meat and cook the other side become golden brown.
My stomach is actually starting to rumble. I can hear my stomach saying something.
Okay, so once turn off the heat and these chicken meat transfer to a plate. You don't have to cook this chicken meat completely because I will simmer later. Don't overcook it because it becomes tough. Then next, cook vegetables. First I stir fry onions. I'm cooking this onion first because I want to get the deep aroma, deep flavor of onion. So first I want to cook it a little bit longer. This will concentrate the sweetness of the onion. I always feel very happy during cooking onion because this aroma is fabulous.
Satoshi loves anything flavored with onion and garlic.
Yes, true.
Yeah, I don't like it when you have garlic first thing in the morning. That's not good.
I can eat all day long. Okay, so the onion become translucent. I put other ingredients, carrot and potato, and stir fry lightly. You don't have to cook perfectly now. About 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, here I sprinkle curry powder. 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Oh, smells nice. Love the curry aroma.
I can smell it. That already looks.
Oh, yes. Combine
smells so good.
this curry powder with all of these
Oh
ingredients.
my gosh, where's my bowl of rice?
And here 500 milliliter of chicken stock. Okay. Looks nice. So, looks like soup curry now. And this is half can of chopped tomato. It's about 200 grams. And I add this to the mixture. And I add half teaspoon of salt. And 1 bay leaf. And bring this mixture to a boil. Sorry, I almost forgot. I have to put this chicken meat.
I was wondering when it was gonna go in.
So sorry.
Okay, so add the chicken meat
the
into the
chicken meat.
mixture
Yep.
and then bring it to a boil.
One more thing.
Oh.
Garlic and ginger.
Oh my goodness.
So sorry. Garlic and ginger.
Garlic and ginger goes in and then bring it to a boil.
Then bring to a boil. Okay, it becomes boiling. Remove the scum from the surface. You don't have to do this, but this make cleaner flavor. So turn to low and cover and cook until the carrot and potato become soft. It takes about 20 minutes. So make this curry soup flavor more unique. You can add variety of spices. I like to use garam masala, nutmeg, and cumin seed. That gives more curry taste. While simmering soup, I'm preparing topping vegetables. Today I'm preparing 3 types of vegetables: pumpkin, bell pepper, and eggplant. So fortunately, at the supermarket, they have this type of pumpkin. It's already sliced, so I can use as it is. So if you use pumpkin, please make like this, like a thinly sliced pumpkin. And bell pepper, cut into half and remove the seed and cut into 1/8 like this, 1/8 size. And eggplant, remove this stem, cut into half, and here make diagonal slits, crisscross pattern. This helps cook faster. Okay, there are a couple of cooking way of these vegetables. One is deep fry in oil. directly into oil. And my favorite way is grill. Okay, it's ready. Open the lid. Smells nice. Transfer to a bowl.
Look at that. Look at all the ingredients. And it smells amazing.
And put grilled vegetable on top.
Yep, the 2 pumpkin. We got the eggplant, the pumpkin, the bell pepper. And of course you need your rice, your steamed rice.
Yes, this is necessary. So here you go. Your soup curry is ready.
Ooh, smells like the restaurant we went to in Sapporo.
Yes. Love soup curry.
Me too. So this is soup curry. The rice is served on the side, and you can basically pour some of the soup onto the rice, or you can scoop up a spoonful of rice and dip it into the soup. Eat it whichever you like.
So if you haven't seen our video in Hokkaido video, please watch it. It's 10 things you have to eat in Sapporo.
Yes, and we do introduce one of our favorite places in Sapporo. We will leave a link to that video right below this one. Okay, so let's eat. So I'm gonna have a pumpkin because I love pumpkin. And then, of course, I love potatoes, so I'll get, a piece of potato and chicken. Put this right on top of my rice. Pour a little bit more curry on top. では、いただきます。
どうぞ。
Oh my god, that is good.
Good?
Actually,
I want to sip this soup.
It's good. Actually, fourth time I'm saying that. Actually, in my opinion, this is better than the place we went to.
Really? Someday, I will make a combination of spices.
Oh, this is delicious.
Spices.
Curry spices?
Yeah, I
But-
want to master it.
But okay, one day you'll make your own curry blend. But you know, this is an easy way for everyone to make it. You
yes.
just buy the curry powder and then add the spices like the cumin, etc. Chicken is good too.
Really?
Very
that's good,
tender.
That's good. So I always do take rice first and soak in the soup.
Oh, you dip it in the soup.
Yep.
I do that halfway through.
It's like a curry rice.
This is really good.
Okay.
Guys, if you've never tried soup curry, or if you have and you miss it, give this a try because Satoshi, this is really good. Like, I cannot believe it tastes so good.
Simple but tasty.
Oh, so good. And it's so warming, especially during the winter, you know, all the spices. よくできました。
ありがとうございます。
So we hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let us know in the comments down below what you guys thought of the recipe. And if you are familiar with soup curry, you've been to Sapporo before, let us know which soup curry shop is your favorite. We only know a couple, and we would love to know what your favorite is. And we do hope you guys are enjoying these recipe videos. Once again, we would love to know your thoughts on these recipe videos. Please look through our old travel videos, and if you find something that you'd like us to recreate, most likely he recreates, let us know in the comments down below as well.
Next video is karukan from Kagoshima.
No, are you serious? That is a huge challenge.
Yes, it's challenging, but I will do.
If you don't know what karukan is, check out our video on Kagoshima best food. Are you serious?
I do.
Oh my gosh. All right, stay tuned for that video. See you guys next time. Bye.